Welcome to Craving the Mouse. Join us for another Disney food-inspired video. Today we are diving into Walt Disney's famous inspired chili recipe that will bring warmth to your home and put a smile on your face. It is a perfect dish for family gatherings or for a cozy night. Let's get started on making Walt's signature chili. First, let's go over the ingredients you will need. Cooking oil, ground beef, kidney beans, diced tomato, sliced onion, diced celery, chili powder, garlic powder, dry mustard, paprika, parsley, salt, pepper, and beef broth. I used an Instant Pot for this recipe. Turn on the Instant Pot and choose the Sauté button. Start by adding a tablespoon of cooking oil, add the ground beef and brown it, then add the sliced onions and diced celery. After browning the meat and the onions and celery are translucent, add the garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, salt, pepper, dry mustard, and parsley. Stir together to help release the flavors from the seasonings for about 5 to 10 minutes. Add in the beef broth, kidney beans, and diced tomatoes. Stir well, cover, and set the Instant Pot on pressure cook on high for 30 minutes and let it slow release. The total cook time and slow release will be a little over an hour. I have found that soups, stews, and chili, when cooked with the Instant Pot for at least 30 minutes to an hour, will give the same taste as slow cooking it for several hours on the stove. You can do a quick release, but I find that the slow release gives the dish a little more time to enhance the flavors. If you do not have an Instant Pot, you can use a slow cooker or pot on the stove for this recipe. Open the lid and enjoy one of our favorite dishes inspired by Walt Disney. Recipe below in comments. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Craving the Mouse for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy eating!